Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at James's chainsaw. He's from Missouri. Got a tree service back there. He wanted to make a test chainsaw. This is a 562. It's had the West Coast build on it, and it's got one of those chainsaw guy Sylvie razor grind chains on it. This is the first cut since the rebuild. It will be disabled at the end of the video, but I just wanted to get a test run on it, and we'll see how it does. If you have any questions on these West Coast chainsaws, give the chainsaw guy a call.